This Real Estate Central, LLC property video is presented by Fadal. Elegance in every room. This southern living designed home with a great flow for entertaining inside and out. The custom kit West/granite counters has a breakfast area with outside views. Spacious dining room and first floor master suite. The home office creates a peaceful working atmosphere with fireplace and custom built desk and bookshelves. The sunroom brings nature inside west/panoramic views and tennis court below. The deck has lighting for evening use. There is a 2-car garage and spacious utility garage. Many extra amenities. For more information, review the details below or contact Sandy Fadal at 304-776-7653.